Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of an Wille wig called Fair Mono. This is a petite average wig, so I won't be wearing it very long. I'll try to cut this review kind of short. This is in the color Sand Multi Rooted, and I'll discuss the color once I'm done discussing the wig. Let me show you what this wig looks like all the way around. And please bear in mind that this is petite average, so some of my bio hair might be poking out. Even though it doesn't fit me properly because I have an average large head, I still think this is a really darling pixie kind of boy cut hybrid. It is really cute. It's got some really nice layering on the top. You can see how transparent that mono top is because you can see my wig cap right through it. Let me show you that mono top up front. There's that mono top. And it does have a lace front. That's a pretty nice lace front on that one. Tiny little knots. And again, it doesn't fit me, but the coverage on the sides is remarkably good. So this one is very cute. This one's really, really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off though because I don't want to stretch it out. So let me show you the color on this one. It's really pretty, the Sand Multi. It's got a few different things going on. It's a 14, which is a honey blonde. It's a little bit dark in the Wille line. It's got a 24, which is a natural golden blonde, and you can see that that's on top here. And then it has a number 12. You can see the 12 at the nape. That is a natural golden brown, a light golden brown. And then the rooting is kind of like a dark blonde color. It's not quite as dark as the brown down here at the bottom. So it's a really pretty color. Look how dynamic that is here on the side. And very pretty. The rooting really adds an extra dimension to it that's very becoming. Let's talk some specs. This is a 2.5 ounce wig. The crown down is 3.5 inches. I think this is like a perfect bang length, especially for a petite head. That's going to be great. Crown down is 3 inches and the sides are 3.5 and the nape is 2.5 right there. So let's show you the cap construction and then we'll call this one a day. So as I said, you got a transparent hand-tied monofilament top in addition to a hand-tied lace front. You also have open wefts here on the side, open wefts in the back, an extended felt nape, and Velcro adjusters. We also have really nice fuzzy felt here on the ear tabs. This is a really nice little wig. So there you have it. This has been my review of the Fair Mono Petite Average wig by Wille in the color Sand Multi Rooted. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thanks very much for watching this video, and until next time, I hope you have a good night. Bye-bye!